Hello, this is Nick with Albert Air, and today we are going to be looking at a Carrier Performance Series multi-zone ductless split system that we have mounted on the roof, and we've done 3 high wall fan coils underneath it. I'm going to go through this system, tell you all about it. I'm going to do the roof first, and then I'm going to go downstairs and show you the fan coils indoors that we did. As always, please like this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. If you are located in the Orange County, California area, would like an estimate or any other info on Carrier products, let us know. You can reach us at 714-526-6368 or at albertair.com. So let's get right into this system. We have the 3-ton Carrier Performance ductless split multi-zone heat pump condenser. It is model number 38MGRQB36DA3. This unit in the 3-ton size is 22 plus SEER 2. This is a variable speed inverter compressor in this unit. It does both heating and cooling, so it will do many speeds. It is matched downstairs in different offices with 3 different high wall fan coils. We have 2 12,000 BTU high wall fan coils. We also have an 18,000 BTU high wall fan coil. I know what you're gonna say is this is only a 36,000 BTU heat pump condenser, so how can we have 42,000 BTUs in fan coils? Well, with a ductless split system like this, you can actually size it for 20% over capacity. Not all of the zones downstairs in the offices will be running at the same time. Typically, they will be using one zone at a time. They do have a very large room that we put the 18,000 BTU fan coil in. That room is used roughly a couple times a week, whereas the other offices are used a little more. So it is okay to size your system at 36,000 BTUs on the roof and be a little over downstairs on the fan coils. As far as the dimensions of this unit, they are 37 inches width, they are 16 depth and 32 inches high. It has 1 fan. If you wanted to go to the 4-ton heat pump condenser, it is the double fan and it is taller. This unit can actually support up to 4 zones on it. Like I said, we have 3 zones. So if you did a 4th zone, there is another port on the side of the unit where all these refrigerant lines come in. You can see this top port right there is available. So we have all the lines coming in here. They are running in line covers across the roof. As you can see, they go down into flashings. That's where they connect to the units underneath. I'll take you down there to check those out. So we have 3 lines for there and there. We have our electrical coming into this junction box on the roof. Comes on over to the unit. That is a 40 amp breaker that runs this system with number 8 wire. 40 amp disconnect with 40 amp fuses. So let me know if you guys have any questions about this. Make sure you leave a comment in the section below. I can answer those. I'm gonna take you downstairs now and we're gonna check out the indoor fan coils. That way you can kind of see what we did with those. Let's go downstairs and check that out. We are at a church today, it is empty. No one is here, so we can kind of walk around and I can really show you the lay of the land on this. So I'm going to walk into the first office here, and this is where we did a 12,000 BTU. As you can see, we mounted it up high. This unit right now is set at 60 degrees. We're running them. It's freezing in this room already. This room is roughly about, I would say about 11 by 15. So this will cool this room no problem. The unit itself is 31 inches wide. We have it sitting about 2 feet down from the ceiling. In here, you can see where we attach the lines. They come down through the roof, attached to the back of the unit. The drain line is actually piped in. It's a gravity drain on this, which goes down that pipe and into the sink drain underneath. Let me take you into the other room. Obviously, we also have the wireless remote mounted on the wall right here. So here is the largest room right here. This room is very large, so roughly about 35 feet long, probably by about 16 feet wide. We have an 18,000 BTU unit here. This unit is 38 inches wide by about 15 inches tall, 12 inches off the wall. It sits roughly about 10 to 12 inches down. Plenty of airflow to get in there. This will cover this room no problem. I'll take you behind here. That's how we got the lines down. This one actually has a pump on it, so we weren't able to gravity drain this, so they put pumps, and it will pump out to a roof drain. I'll walk into the last room over here. This is the smallest of the rooms. And this room right here also has a 12,000 BTU. Right now it is off. This zone has been satisfied. This is the smallest zone, so it's not very big, maybe about 10 by 10 room. The wired remote is on the wall right here. So let me know what you think of this install. If you have any questions at all, leave a comment in the section below. I'm happy to answer those for you if you're interested in a system like this. This can be done in a residential home as well as a commercial building like we are now. If you need any more information, visit us at albertair.com. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.